Namo Buddhaya. Today I am going to speak about an important life lesson of Buddhist philosophy. Buddhist philosophy is based on teaching of Gautama Buddha. It teaches us how to live a meaningful, peaceful, and happy life. According to Buddhism, life has both happiness and sadness. Everything changes with time. Nothing stays the same forever. Understanding this helps us stay calm during difficult times. Two main important teachings of Buddhism are mindfulness and compassion. Mindfulness means paying attention to what's happening now. Compassion means being kind and caring others. For example, when we fail an exam or face a problem, we should not give up. We should stay calm, learn from our mistake, and try again. This teaching helps us become better people and live peacefully. Thank you. May all beings be happy and peaceful.